I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want out of this club.
Got my bricks like a chimney. Black got a stiffy. I got connection to something like Wi-Fi. Said it wrong, but you read me.
What is up? What is poppin'? It is your girl Samarra, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be doing a part 2. So if you haven't already checked out my first one, you should check that out. It will be somewhere right here. But today we're gonna be doing a recreating trendy outfits from Pinterest video, because I'm starting to get more and more into like clothing and stuff like that. And that last video did good, so I'm just like, okay, let's do another one. I'm not gonna keep rambling for y'all. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Also comment down below which outfit was your favorite. And that's basically it. Road to 8K, and let's get into the video. Let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
This is first attempt. So I'm gonna put the picture of the girl right next to me. As you can tell, her dress is purple, but I didn't have a purple version. I had a tan version, and I feel like it does the job because it still has the same cut and same look as the girls did. And then for her shoes, I don't know what shoes they are, to be honest, but I don't have those shoes, so instead I'm wearing these Tommy Hilfiger shoes. I'm gonna show y'all. I feel like they're like the same structure as her shoes, but this is how it looks. And yeah, guys, so this outfit is pretty basic, pretty straight to the point, pretty straightforward. So if I were to rate this outfit, I'd probably rate it let's say an 8.5, because first off, this dress don't really fit me. I'm literally tying it up with scrunchies. That's skin girl problems. And yeah, I just think it's an 8.5. Like, it's not something I would wear on my own time. Here is a mirror view, because I'm not sure if y'all could see it in the other frame, but this is how it looks. Next caller, cause he ain't talking about nothing, B. This is outfit number 2. I think this might be one of my favorites because it has my favorite color as the main color. But basically in the picture, the girl's wearing like this oversized like blue, it's like a darker blue than this, velvet puffer coat, and she's wearing some ones with it and some baggy pants. So that's what your girl got. The only exception is I'm not sure what shirt she is wearing. So I am wearing a white tank top, like just a plain white tank top. And I'm wearing this puffer coat. It's kind of huge. It's not even mine, it's my sister's. You gotta do what you gotta do. I forgot to tell y'all where I got the stuff in the last outfit, but I got the dress in the last one from Shein. And the shoes, I don't know, my uncle got it. But here, this puffer coat, I think is from H&M. I don't remember. I don't know, it's my sister's. This tank top, the tank top I'm wearing is from Shein. These jeans I'm wearing are from Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna make sure y'all get a little close-up of that, because these are my favorite jeans. These jeans are giving me life, like literally. And then I have my ones, which are from a shoe store, Foot Locker, whatever you want to call it. But guys, I really like this outfit. Oh my god. Even though it's not an outfit you'd wear now because it's getting hotter, like this is a cute fall fit, like a fall spring fit, not a summer fit. But a lot of these pieces I'm wearing are new things that I've added to my clothing haul, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But these are the jeans. Girl in that picture who created this outfit, kudos to you. Kudos to you. So I realized y'all couldn't see mine. Ignore the creases, guys. But I realized y'all couldn't see my ones in the last clip, but this is how it looks. And then if you want mirror, this is how it looks in the mirror. Oh my god, I really love these jeans. Oh, this is so cute. This outfit is getting a 10 out of 10, period. Like, this outfit, the only thing I don't like about it is this jacket makes a scene. Like, people will know when you're coming in because of how loud it is. But I really like this one.
I might just hit it raw, hold on, that's on my element. I like dark skins, love a melanin, question Louis.
Outfit number 3. So, the girl over there, the color combination is way different. That girl's wearing a brown tank top, some brown, like, I think they're Adidas pants, and like a white coat over it. I don't have any of those colors. So, I have instead in a purple color. So I have this white tank top that's from Shein. Again, stay tuned to my clothing haul because a lot of these pieces I'm putting together now is gonna be in my clothing haul. So stay tuned. I have this white tank top from Shein, which I folded up a little bit to match the girl like cropped look. And then I have these Adidas pants, track pants, which are thrifted. I saw my video cut off in the last clip, so I was basically saying that these pants are thrifted, and yeah, and basically I give this fit a 9 because I wouldn't know where to wear it to. Like, where would you wear it to? And like, the fit of the girls was cute, but mine isn't. Like, oh, what it is, this is an off-brand version. Literally, this is the off-brand version. Maybe if I had like some shoes to pair with it and the colors match a little bit more, then I would have rated a little bit higher. But yeah, guys, it's not a bad outfit. It's just, where the hell would I wear it to? Like, where would I wear it to? So yeah, this outfit number, who knows, but this is how it's looking. The girl in the other one had like a tie thingy, but mind you, I don't have a shirt like that, so I literally took the thing I used to wrap my hair at nighttime to wrap around my upper body. I know it's ghetto, I know it's ratchet,
A little bit ghetto, you know, a little bit hood,
but you gotta do what you gotta do. Like, if you really want to know where I got this little scarf from, I got it from the hair store. And then I'm wearing these boyfriend jeans from Pretty Little Thing that will be popping up in my clothing haul. And for shoes, the girl's wearing heels. I don't really feel like wearing heels, so yeah, let's just not focus on that. But this outfit isn't really bad. Say I had a better like top, like it wasn't so ghetto as I'm making it right now, this would have been way better. But the idea of it is really cute. I really like the idea of it. It looks cute. Again, like, it would look 10 times better if my top wasn't so ghetto. Like, it's all teared apart, but I would rate this 9.5, because this actually it's giving me looks. This is giving me looks, and that's on what? Exactly, this is giving me looks. I'm feeling fancy.
I'm so fancy, you already know.
Okay, let me give you all a different view. So this is how it's looking. This is not so bad. Ignore the feet, ignore the feet. The feet literally ruins it, but this is not bad at all. Last outfit. So this is how the outfit looks. So basically, the girl over there, she's wearing a white top, but I don't have a white top. I don't have any white graphic tees, and I really should invest, but I don't got it. So I'm wearing this black graphic tee I got from Shein. And then the girl on the side, she's wearing these stacked jeans, but it's two-toned. The jeans are two-toned, which is perfect because I recently made some stacked jeans that are two-toned. So let me show y'all. Hopefully y'all can see. But basically, these are the stacked jeans I curated. I made on my own. If you want to see how I made it, make sure you check out that video. It will be somewhere popping up right now. But right now, again, I'm wearing my ones because the girl's wearing ones there. She's wearing blue ones, but it's white on the top, but mine is black. So yeah. This outfit is really casual. Really not like just like going like to a mall or something. Nothing special. So I would rate this outfit a 9 because I feel like if I had a better top, it would look better. But it's not an ugly outfit at all. None of the outfits I did are ugly. Like, to be honest with you, all these outfits were popping, and that's on period. So this is how the outfit looks full body. They're doing fireworks again. I'm sorry if you hear that in the background because I'm in the ghetto. But thank you guys for watching this video. I really enjoyed filming it. I really enjoyed putting different pieces together, trying to match different outfit I've seen. These were all outside of my comfort zone. I never like tried these like different combinations before, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below which outfit was your favorite one. My favorite one was the one with the oversized blue coat. And my second favorite one was where I had my ghetto ratchet hair tie as my top. So those are my 2 favorites. Let me know which ones you guys enjoy. Let me know if you want a part 3 because this could become a series because sis. But yeah, that's all for this video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Roll to 8K, and I'll see you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzes like I rock out.